Hello guys, I am Master Stark and welcome to our channel Otakugan. Today we are going to review 10th episode of Uzaki-chan Wants to Hang Out. So, roll the damn intro editor. Sorry for the late upload of FreeZero episode. Our schedule got really busy due to our classes. Well then, before we start the review, spoiler alert, spoiler alert, spoiler alert. For the episode, if you haven't watched the episode, go watch it. Well, this episode turned out to be a really good one. If I am being honest with you guys, comparing the last episodes and talking about the last episode, the cliffhanger about someone spying them was way too obvious with who he was. He was none other than Sakaki. Sakaki and Ami was an unexpected guest into the party. Also, the opening and ending songs are changed now. Well, now let's talk about Totori. That is the place they visited. I tried to research a little but didn't find anything about it. So I don't know if what they said was true or not. Well, this episode turned out the tables for both Uzaki and Sakura, as Ami and Sakaki went into aggressive mood. It started off a visit to the sand dunes and a race to the beach between Uzaki and Sakura. Because the dunes and the beach were connected, Uzaki tried to cheat with a sandbar but lost terribly. She wasn't able to move, so Sakura had to pull her towards their group. And that is when they are greeted by a couple asking them to take photos. That is the time I felt really suspicious of both Ami and the guy, because after the photo frame they are shown having a smug face. And then, just for information, a commercial is shown with Uzaki's mom in it for some reason about the hotel they were visiting. Then, when they reach the hotel, Sakura and Uzaki find out that they were betrayed by their friends and they got the same room. So they decide to switch rooms, so Ami and Uzaki are in a room and Sakura and Sakaki in the other. When Sakura asked the blonde guy, means Sakaki, what they were plotting, he corners Sakura onto the wall and say it's time, and then Uzaki enters the room. She shook by what she saw. She takes a picture of what she just saw and Sakura shouts in an annoyed voice, "Don't even try." Then they take a steam bath where Uzaki sweats really hard and asks Sakura for his towel, because her towel was too wet to soak her sweat, but sleeps and falls on Sakura, and they lose their sense of racing. If you watch the episode, you know what I mean. Then they take the bath. There is nothing interesting happening there until they visit the shrine. They bet that they will have a better fortune than other. They go ahead and Sakura gets middling luck while Uzaki gets a great luck. But when both of them read what is written on the fortune paper, they find themselves bamboozled, because they discover that Totori is a place where couples go, and the shrine they went was for couples to strengthen their real relationship. With this, both Sakura and Uzaki start blushing and start acting bashful towards each other. After that, with the end, there is yet another cliffhanger with the blonde guy, means Sakaki, and Ami surprised, looking to a direction. But before they talk about how they shouldn't interfere between Sakura and Uzaki's relationship. So guys, this is the end. Meet you again in the episode of Rent a Girlfriend, and again sorry for the ReZero review. Bye.